This is the stunt bike layer of drift cars.
We're gonna clean it out and make you do wheelies inside.
Oh yeah.
Do you think you can hang?
Yeah, I think I can get that.
Make it bounce.
What is going on, Dank family? It's your boy Mike, and today I'm doing something definitely different than the usual pace. You guys already see the title, you know what's going on. Probably wondering, how do I know AdamLz? Well, actually I don't. I just met him today, but I guess yesterday Adam posted on his story that he was looking for a side-by-side, and one of my followers was nice enough to let me know and gave me the scoop. So I sent Adam a message, he hit me up later on today, and basically we crunched numbers, came out to a good deal. So we're gonna go ahead and load my bike up real quick and then make our way to Orlando and get him his side-by-side. Alrighty, arrived at the shop. This is what he bought. 2019 Can-Am Maverick X3 Xds Turbo R. They make a turbo, and then the Turbo R is just gonna give you more horsepower. So this will be the fastest model that they made for 2019, which seems appropriate for him. We're gonna get it loaded up on the trailer, hook it to the truck, and make our way out. X3 Chevy. You guys think he's gonna drift this thing? What do you think? You think this guy's gonna drift this?
Yes. Has to drift.
All right, now we just gotta strap her down. We're riding out, people. This is like the proper party pack. Got the stunt bike in the back, Maverick on the trailer. What more do you need? Shout out to Ryan and buddy. Chevy. Off to Orlando. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna rain. Very bad. Your truck gets so low on gas, like under 10 miles till empty, it just goes to range, fuel low. So I almost ran out of gas on my way here. This truck was usually getting like 17 miles per gallon. Now that I'm hauling this Maverick, it's getting like 12 miles per gallon. So if you guys are wanting to Dodge for fuel efficiency, I do not recommend it. Definitely getting diesel next. All right, you guys know we gotta plug in the merch on this thing. We gotta find a good hiding spot for it. This is OEM. Hopefully he doesn't catch it. Jeez Louise, it's rough. I got the stunt bike and it's pouring rain, so depending on how things turn out, we might be able to make a video. I don't know what he's got planned. What a great day to get a new toy, right? Here she is.
Thank you for bringing me my new toy.
Heck yeah. Mr. AdamLz here is getting his... Oh, you doing the job for me?
Yeah, dude.
All right, guys, so we just made it to AdamLz's shop. He's giving me a quick tour of all the stuff in there. He's got a lot of nice cars. That car is looking a little rough.
That's a new one. I got doors! I got doors!
Look at this paradise, people. This is the stunt bike layer of drift cars.
We're gonna clean it out and make you do wheelies inside.
Oh yeah.
Do you think you can hang?
Yeah, I think I can get that.
Okay.
I wouldn't be doing my part if I didn't come here with a stunt bike ready to do wheelies. Yeah. You guys recognize any of these cars? Definitely sick. You got a wheel in the passenger seat? 2 of them? Yeah, that's beautiful. Creamsicle. I got a trip tomorrow, so we're getting this Skyline Express prepped, ready to roll for tomorrow. This looks like a good mount.
I'm so excited. Can I pull it off? Yeah. Why did you let me do this?
Hey, you beat me in the driver's seat. Look at, of all things to get close to, this freaking chaser I'm like an inch away from.
This is big, dude.
How long till you think he's pinning it?
5 minutes. Do I have a glove box?
A little something, you know.
What's in there? What you put in there?
You're gonna need this.
Yes, I do.
This is your belt tool right here.
There's your eye man. Really? No. Really? Still have not. We're still a little cold.
2 hours later.
You guys follow the checklist. All 4's down, right?
Yeah. Yeah, no, dude, she's broken in now. 10 hours. Yeah, we're good.
What?
Yeah.
I gotta check that?
Yeah. We pulled back to this field and we found the jumper. Like, all right, put her in 4.
So far, are you happy with it?
Dude, she rips. You know, like, so I was kind of worried a little bit at first because the idea of having the sequential one or the paddle one seems really rad. But all the trail riding I've done, I've always done with the CVTs, and it's actually kind of nice.
So ideally, this isn't the weather you'd want to get your new Maverick in, but realistically, knowing this guy, it's probably for the better. That way, these tires still have some traction the first hour.
You don't want to like rage these too hard on dry pavement, right?
Yeah, exactly. You'll shred them to pieces. I'm sure it'll happen sooner or later. Thanks for shopping at West Coast Powersports.
Thank you, man.
I got my bike all unloaded. I gotta go ahead and swap out the tire real quick. And then we're gonna do some circle wheelies for him. So I just went ahead and swapped out the tire on my ZX6R. This one's leaking. It's pretty bald itself, but we're gonna send it.
Why does your camera look so much better than mine?
It's a freshie. It's probably got like 2 miles on it.
Dang.
It's not even past braking.
It literally looks better than mine. Risky man coming into a shop with all these drift cars, doing wheelies.
We got a Skyline 350Z Pro Race drift car, and then his Old Faithful. We're gonna circle around him.
Look at this thing. I'm gonna be so terrified watching him do this in the shop.
This could go very good or very bad. Forewarning, if you're coming from Adam's channel, I apologize if I hit something.
Is that the car that hit if anything? Dude, that was fast. That was fast.
There's no damage.
No, seriously, I don't care about the car at all. No, I'm looking for my GoPro. Oh, did you lose your GoPro?
Yeah, I think it flew off.
You found it.
All the way underneath the car.
Is it still rolling?
No, we did.
Round 2.
Yeah, round 2. So I had to give everybody here the DankWheelie taste of some crashing, but we're gonna actually do a trick this time and not crash.
That was a DankWheelie?
Yeah, that was a DankWheelie.
No, you do not need a bike. You're alive! We did it!
Oh, it's on.
Oh, no, she's good. There's already no difference. Yeah, no, dude,
It looks the same
That
that
was
it was.
probably one of the top 3 sketchiest places I've ever done circle wheelies.
Okay, not only spacious wise, but the fact that you're coming from a wet parking lot into a slippery epoxy floor. Doing circle wheelies, that's probably the worst thing you can do on epoxy floors. Trust me, I tried on a pit bike and I just...
I'm just glad it wasn't the Skyline.
Oh. Yeah, I would have been a little sad. That would have been real awkward.
Oh, the broken fenders on that Z were calling me. It was inevitable. It was gonna make contact.
Dude, honestly, I don't think that this crack was here before. That looks new.
No?
What, the blade? That's been there.
I'm pretty sure. We can watch the footage back. That was the first thing I pointed out when I came over.
Pretty sure the car wasn't even black. It was a different color.
Where'd it go?
Oh no. Alright, so all the people that did remain on my channel after they watched me just smash into Adam's 350Z, thanks for watching. So I started this vlog, I didn't really expect to make a video out of it, but it ended up being a really sick time. Big thanks to Adam for giving us his business, and most importantly, just having me over and checking all the sweet cars and shit like that.
I got him to try his first White Claw.
Yeah.
He's never had a White Claw before.
That's cheat codes right there.
Dude, that's why you messed up, dude. Yeah, that one
sip of the White Claw got me. Other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to check out adamlz and all the stuff that he's got going on. He's one of the biggest drift guys on YouTube, so definitely stay tuned. Other than that, guys, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, hit the bell for notifications. And like always, keep it dank. Later.
Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow.